Hi everybody and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you why if your device TCL MoveAudio S200 keeps disconnecting. So, the issue may be that your headphones aren't charged to 100%. At first try to charge them up to 100% and check if they still disconnect. If the problems still occur, you have to at first forget them from your phone and then hard reset them. To know how to do a hard reset, check our channel because I did a video for it. And if the hard reset didn't help you, you have to do a phone reset. It's because it may be for your phone. Try connecting your headphones with a different device and check if your problems still occur. And of course, if the problems still occur after these quick fixes, you have to contact device support, which is the easiest way. It's because your headphones may be broken. Don't try to unscrew them to change something in them. Of course, it's because if you don't have the abilities to do so, don't do so. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.